power is not in what you say, but in what you choose not to say. A man who reacts to every insult loses value, but the man who answers disrespect with silence and self-mastery becomes unforgettable. Today, we'll uncover 5 silent moves that make women regret ever disrespecting you without arguments, without revenge, and without lowering yourself. These are moves grounded in Stoic philosophy and the wisdom of men who mastered control. 1. Withdraw your attention. Attention is the most valuable currency you own. When a woman disrespects you, don't argue. Simply withdraw. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. By removing your presence, you create a void. Silence speaks louder than 1,000 words." 2. Elevate yourself in silence. Instead of clapping back, channel that energy into growth. Improve your fitness, skills, money, and discipline. One day, she sees the version of you that no longer needs validation. That transformation is the ultimate silent revenge. 3. Refuse emotional reactions. Weak men argue, strong men observe. A Stoic man is like still water. No matter what's thrown at him, he remains calm. Women often test men with disrespect. If you don't react, you show strength beyond her control. Silence in the face of disrespect turns guilt back on the other person. 4. Live with purpose, not to prove. Don't try to show her you're better. Show yourself. Purpose is magnetic. When you live with direction, respect naturally follows. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do." Your silent focus on purpose makes anyone who doubted you feel regret. 5. Upgrade your circle. Nothing stings more than realizing you've been replaced. When you stop chasing disrespectful people and surround yourself with respect, you elevate your value. A man who chooses better company shows he values himself. This move requires no words, only action. Remember, silence is not weakness, it's strategy. A man who wastes time proving his worth to those who disrespect him will never master himself. But the man who quietly walks away, builds his empire, and protects his peace commands a respect that words can't buy. Don't fight for respect. Become the man that makes disrespect impossible.